Alright everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the Ekster Grid Backpack, a sleek tech-forward everyday carry that combines functionality and style. I've been using this bag for a bit now and I wanted to share my honest thoughts on whether it lives up to its premium design. So whether you're looking for your next work or travel bag, let's take a closer look. So here's a screenshot of the features and dimensions. I'll just put it up on screen. Have a read through it and pause the screen if you have to. So starting off with the front here, the Ekster Grid Backpack has a minimalist design that's super clean and modern. The design is simple yet effective. The outer materials is 600D recycled polyester, which gives it a durable, water-resistant finish, perfect for handling unpredictable weather. In the center here, you do have a metal plate logo, followed by some straps across the front here with some zinc G alloy clips. These hooks are more for aesthetic purposes than practicality. While you could slip something onto these light straps here, they are quite tight, so that's really up to you. You do have YKK waterproof zippers here, known for their durability and smooth action. They are waterproof and they do have little branding on the pull tabs as well. The bag is pretty straightforward along the front here. So moving to the left side, there is a water bottle holder here, which has a stretchy mesh material. Now to test it out, we're just going to test it out with the 26-ounce Yeti water bottle that has made appearance on the channel for many of times. Just to test it out here, it does fit. And it is pretty thick, so most standard water bottles should fit in here without an issue. There is a top strap up here, which do feature a metal zinc alloy G-clip as well. You could tighten something down if you do have something that extends up on past this, so like a tripod for example. On the right side we have two more straps that's on the top and the bottom here. These are best suited for holding like a tripod again or something similar in shape, but there isn't much slack on these, so bulkier items may be harder to secure down because of the slack here. Just behind it here we do have a hidden zippered pocket which is RFID protected. It's thin, but ideal for storing your wallet or your passport, offering just another extra layer of security and easy access. So right here, and just like this, it's water protected. Another standout feature is the quick access magnetic pocket up here, located at the top. So right here, this pocket is great for stashing your phones or keys or any small items that you need to grab real quickly. Inside, there is a small zippered pocket, if you can see right here, right there. And if I open it up here, you could see that it does have an extra layer of security, and in here it is soft lined, making it perfect for storing glasses without worrying about scratches. And since we're back here as well, there is a laptop sleeve which you can use to store up to a 16-inch laptop in here, and it does provide a little bit of a false bottom. It ends just about right here, so you should be okay with your laptop if you were to worry about dropping it. So yeah, just be cautious as always, and there is sufficient padding here as well, so that's really good. Along the top here we do have two straps that aren't adjustable, but if you could fit an item in here that's a long waist, you should be able to use this as another option to help carry that item. So nice little touch here. The top here does feature a sturdy thin shaped carrying handle that feels very durable, so it is thin in size but it's quite dense in the thickness. Easy to grip, should fit most of your guys' hands. Moving to the back, the Ekster Grid Backpack excels in terms of comfort. The back panel here is made with breathable mesh padding, which helps with airflow, especially on the long days. Because of its compact design, it sits flat against your back, and if you tighten the straps, the weight distributes evenly for a balanced, compact carry. The back padding is very cushioned with a waffle-like grid design, adding to the comfort. There is a luggage pass-through here in the center for easy travel. The shoulder straps are thickly padded, making it quite comfortable even with heavier loads. There are multiple attachment points along the strap as well, offering options for securing additional gear. And then at the bottom here, you do have some extra branding with more of the zinc alloy, some sort of burgundy accents right here, which I think is a nice complement to the backpack's overall design and color. So it's a nice little touch right at the bottom. Breathable mesh padding at the back here as well. So moving on to the interior, when we open up the main compartment, we are greeted with a clear view of the Ekster Grid Backpack's light grey lining, making it easy to see all your items. It does fully open 180 degrees, offering great accessibility. So let's start with the main section. There's some branding in the center here, accented by the signature burgundy color here with this little tab right here. You've got two large open mesh pockets, perfect for hard drives or small tech items. And then behind this is a tablet compartment which can comfortably fit my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, so anything of similar size should fit in here without an issue. Just be mindful though that the excess material from the magnetic soft line pocket at the top slightly intrudes into the space, so keep that in mind when you're just packing. The main compartment just functions as like a suitcase, allowing you to stack your clothes and pack it efficiently. I personally love this type of opening because it gives you that full flexibility to adjust and organize everything neatly. You could easily fit enough clothes for 1 or 2 nights in here, even 3 if you're packing super minimal. On the opposite side of the main compartment, you'll find 2 large zippered mesh pockets. These are ideal for storing smaller clothing items or tech accessories like cables, adapters or chargers, or any other valuables that you may have. So they're both similar in size, and you can just notice that I have some mark in here that I end up leaving somehow when I was using and testing this. But the interior design is pretty straightforward and practical, providing plenty of space for all your essentials while keeping everything organized. So on to the pros and cons. To start with the pros, this is a sleek minimalist design backpack that looks great in any setting and outfit. The qualities of these is pretty top notch, and I will give it that. You will notice the difference compared to other bags on the market. All the little details feel very premium because of the form factor as well, and the simplicity of this backpack. Taking it everywhere is so much easier. On to the cons. The price point might feel a bit high for some, especially compared to other backpacks on the market. It does have limited color options, which is currently only available in black. The bag is a bit rigid, which might not appeal to those that prefer a more flexible and casual style. It does have the luggage style opening, which can be a bit inconvenient. If you're carrying a few items, they can shift or fall out unless the bag is laid flat down. While opening it upright, it is more often practical, which could result in your items falling out or becoming a bit more disorganized. I just wanted to point out something about the back panel of this backpack. It does sit quite flat, so if you're someone that has bad posture or a bit of imbalance on your back, this might not be the most comfortable experience, because most backpacks do have a bit of curvature to them and it does contour to your back, but this one sits relatively flat. So for me, it's fine for me and I had no issues. However, I did notice that it does just sit quite flat on your back. So that's something that just you could take in mind and double check for yourself and think about something to think about to see if it will fit for you, because it is a bit different from other backpacks that I noticed. On to the pricing, size and color. The Ekster Great Backpack is priced at £245 in the UK. It is a 21 litre capacity and the only color available is black, which to be honest, it does look quite sharp and goes with everything. In conclusion, overall the Ekster Great Backpack is a solid choice for anyone seeking a sleek, modern and highly functional everyday carry. Its minimalist design paired with premium materials ensures it stands out in both style and durability. The thoughtful organization, including the 180 degrees opening and dedicated tech compartments, make it ideal for commuters, tech enthusiasts or anyone who values staying organized. While the premium price tag and the limited color options may give some pause, the attention to detail and quality future-proof the backpack for potential accessories Ekster may end up releasing in the future, as their modular ecosystem is compatible with this bag. This definitely influenced the pricing and honestly wouldn't be a bad investment. If you're looking for a reliable, well-designed backpack that seamlessly blends forms and function, the Ekster Great Backpack could be the perfect choice. As a special note for those who have made it to the end, you can use my discount code WCHUONG to receive an additional 30% off on top of any current web sales. This is a great opportunity to grab the Ekster Great Backpack at a reduced price, so be sure to take advantage of it. I want to thank Ekster for providing this backpack. Please note that they did not review or screen this video. Everything you've heard today is my honest opinion. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. More videos to come, so stay tuned and see you on the next one. Thanks very much.